In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Docusign. We'll be setting up an integration that will streamline your document signing process and save you a ton of time. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to get everything set up smoothly. First, you're going to want to make sure you're on the Zapier homepage. If you're not already familiar, Zapier is a tool that allows you to automate tasks between different apps seamlessly. Once you're there, you'll see an option to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automation you create between apps, so go ahead and click on the Zap button. After that, you need to set the trigger for your Zap. A trigger is an event that starts the Zap. Click on Trigger, and you'll have the option to search for the app you want to integrate. This is where Docusign comes into play. In the search bar, simply type Docusign and hit Enter to select it. Once you've selected Docusign, the next step is to determine the specific event within Docusign that will trigger your automation. Click on Choose an Event, and from the options available, select Click Agreed. This action essentially tracks when a document is signed, triggering the automation process. Now it's time to connect your Docusign account with Zapier. Click on Connect Docusign. At this point, if you're not already signed in to your Docusign account, you'll need to do so. Don't worry, this is a secure process. Once logged in, Zapier will ask to access your Docusign information to enable the connection. Just click on Yes, Continue to Docusign to proceed. Following that, you'll need to allow Zapier to access your Docusign account. This step is crucial for the integration to work properly, so click on Allow Access. With this step, you're granting the necessary permissions for Zapier to fetch information whenever a document signing event occurs in Docusign. At this stage, it's important to test your configuration to make sure everything is working perfectly. Click on Test to initiate this process. Zapier will then walk you through a testing phase to ensure the trigger you set up works as expected. Go on to click Test Trigger to ensure that the configured trigger is functioning properly and is ready for real data. Once you've followed these steps successfully, you've completed the setup for using Zapier with Docusign. Now your documents will seamlessly initiate processes you've set up whenever a signature event happens in Docusign. You've effectively automated a part of your workflow, saving time and cutting down on manual efforts. Great job.